This 2024 Keystone Residence 401 FLFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Festus, Missouri, 63028 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, St. Louis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a bourbon interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, loft, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.